Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now, reboot into safe mode to prevent processes from blocking log repair, and back up your most recent files to an external drive or cloud so you can test fixes safely. Once booted, open Event Viewer and locate the application and system logs to note error ID and timestamps. These clues tell you what to target. Make sure you have admin rights and your Windows product key available, because you may need elevated tools or system restore access later. Once done with backups and notes, run System File Checker. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files. If SFC reports issues it cannot fix, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fetch healthy components from Windows Update. Meanwhile, cross-check Event Viewer error ID and file names. That tells you whether to replace drivers, uninstall recent updates, or remove problematic apps. Now finish and validate. Reboot into normal mode and reopen Event Viewer to confirm errors have cleared or at least change status. Install any pending Windows updates and update drivers through Device Manager to close remaining gaps, then retest the functions that failed. If log errors persist, perform a system restore to a point before the issue, or run an in-place upgrade repair with the Windows 10 installer to preserve files while replacing system components. If that fails, check for hardware faults. Disk errors commonly mimic software logging problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.